Alright guys, welcome to another video. Sorry I'm not in my hammock again. I just finished filming another video. I figured why not go ahead and jump on this review because I just used this product during the other video. So I might as well do a review of it. So this is the Silky Pocketboy 130. We're going to be talking about this in just a minute. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So my name is Doug. I am the Bearded Outdoorsman and I do all my videos outside. If you're new to my channel, normally I'm sitting in a hammock, but I didn't use my hammock in the last one. I was already out here. I figured I'd go ahead and knock this video out and show you about the Silky Pocketboy 130. This came in my Spring Shelter quarterly Nomadik box. If you're unfamiliar with Nomadik, they send out monthly subscription boxes. They also have a quarterly subscription box. It's 4 per year. They're $150 a piece. According to Nomadik, they're a $200 value. Now, this came in the spring quarterly box. It's called Spring Shelter. I just did a video showing how to set up that shelter. So if you missed that video, it should have already gone live. So I'll put a card up top. You can go check that video out. But I use this in the video. So it comes in this hard-sided case. I've never owned a Silky saw before, so this is my first one and I am blown away at the quality of this. So hey, are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, make sure you do that. Comes in this hard case right here that does have this metal hook here that you could hang. You can actually feed your belt through it and use it as a pocket. Now, when I came out here, I just stuck that down this in between my belt and my pants, but it didn't stay real long. When you go to pull it out, it comes off. So it's just kind of a temporary hold, but you can feed your belt through that and you can hold on to your case. All right, so it's got a hard case. So let's pop this open and you can see that, and it locks shut there. And your saw only goes in one way, so you don't have to worry about putting it in and it won't go. All right, so you can look at the case and figure out which way it goes. So we're gonna set that to the side because we don't need it. So this is the Silky Pocketboy 130. It's pretty small, has a really good rubber grip. I really like that grip. It's got a lanyard hole. You can hang or put you some paracord through there, give you a little wrist strap. Press this down to unlock it. Right now it is, well, it's not locked. It is not locked till we get to these two positions, but you got two positions here. So to get it unlocked, you have to push that to unlock it. So it's in that, push that to unlock it. But you've got two positions. You've got this position and you have that position. So if you need to do a flush cut and not get your hands in the way, then you can kick that sucker back and you can really get down on it and cut. All right, you got to be careful not to put your thumb on this while you're cutting because it will move your blade. So has a lot of teeth and they are sharp. It did amazing. I did cut for my other video. I cut this stick right here, this tree, cut that with no problems, cut that notch in it and cut the top off that side. Works out really, really well. Let's see if I can do it just holding. I don't like cutting while I'm holding something, but we're gonna try to do this. All right, don't critique my technique, okay? I'm doing this just to see. So really sharp teeth. I'm gonna make one pull. I can't do this on camera. Make one pull. One pull got me a little over teeth deep. All right, that's one pull. That's not even going in a sawing motion. That's just one flat pull. That's two pulls. You can see that we're almost right at halfway through this board or this tree. Oh, I can get it back in there. All right, one more pull. And again, we're not pushing, I'm not sawing. I'm just showing you how sharp these teeth are and how good this saw is. One more. Let's see, we're at what? 3, 4, 5. That's 5 pulls only. And we're already there, okay? So now I can hang this and I can be willing to bet I can. This is probably about nickel diameter, about the diameter of a nickel. Oak, green, still wet, and 6 pulls only. So if I was actually sawing, it wouldn't take much effort at all. So this is a really awesome saw. If you're not interested in Nomadik, but you want to pick up one of these saws, they have them in different sizes. This one is on Amazon for about $50. So about 50 bucks will get you the Pocketboy. I'll have a link in the description below for both the Pocketboy and Nomadik. So if you're not interested in a subscription box, then go check out the saw, because it is really awesome, and it is definitely going to be part of my gear now, one way or another, whether it's be hunting, trimming up shooting lanes, whether it be trimming up limbs in the deer stand. This is definitely going to get used, and so I like it. This is, like I said, Silky Pocketboy 130, made in Japan. Let's see if we can get any. That's our flex. So pretty good blade. I like it. I recommend it. Let's go check it out. And yeah, go check out Nomadik, check out the Silky, and go check out some more videos on my channel if you're new here. You might find something you didn't know. You might learn something new. You might find something you found interesting, or you just might find some cool videos. So go check them out. If you haven't, make sure to hit the thumbs up button on this video. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.